my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my winter essentials. So if you guys would like to know everything that I'm loving this winter and the things that are essential for hydration for me in the winter time, please keep watching. So, if you don't know, I live in Atlanta and we've been having a pretty mild winter. It might get colder as we get into January and February, but for the most part, it's been a mild fall and winter. So keep that in mind when I'm talking about these items. I don't live in a very cold place at all, although we do experience some patches of cold weather. So I'm gonna start with hair care just because we never do that. So the first two items that I've been using pretty regularly for the past month are the Pureology Hydrate line of shampoo and conditioner. Now, I started using these products a few years ago. I'm actually like almost out of both of these. If you don't know, I have quite a bit of hair care, so as far as shampoo and conditioner, I pretty much rotate them in and out. And for the past so maybe I've had this for like 3 years, I don't know, but for the past year and a half at least, I haven't been using the Pureology line too much just because I was using other things. But I was noticing that my hair was like overly oily, and usually when that happens with my skin, it means that I'm dehydrated. So I decided to dig back into my line, and I'm now using the Pureology Hydrate line again, and I love it. Now right now at Ulta, at the time of filming, Ulta is having their liter sale, so you can get liter bottle versions of the Pureology shampoo and conditioner for a good price. I don't know how long that's gonna last. I want to say it's to the 25th of this month, and I'm not sure when this video is gonna go up, but this line has worked wonders for me. I do have relaxed hair. I know people who have natural hair who use this. I have recommended it to so many women in my family, and the first time they use it and wash their hair, they text me screaming, like through the text, but they're screaming because they love it so much. So if your hair craves hydration, try this line out. It is pretty pricey, but I promise you, well, from my experience and from everybody who I've recommended it to, they loved it, and I don't think that you will be dissatisfied at all. Okay, so now let's move into skincare. The one thing that is really important for my skin in the colder months is starting with amazing like body wash and lotion. So the first thing I want to share is my current body wash. This changes based on the season and also what products are available when I'm needing to, you know, replenish my stash. This is the Up and Up Target brand Total Moisturizing Body Wash. This is comparing to Olay's Ultra Moisture Body Wash with shea butter. Now, I like this because it's super hydrating. In the spring and summer, I don't use something as hydrating, but this really gives my skin a lot of hydration and nourishment. It's still dry just because that's just how my skin is. I have drier skin. It's not really dry, but it is more dry than you would think for someone who has oily like skin on their face. But this line really helps me out. The lotion that I'm obsessed with is the Nivea Essentially Enriched Lotion. This is the dry to very dry skin version. Obsessed. Clearly I'm obsessed because this bottle is almost like emaciated, and it's so weird because for the past week or so, after I put on lotion, I hear this like sound, and I'm like, what is that? And I realized it's the air filling back up after I've pumped out some lotion. So I need to get another lotion, but this Nivea lotion is amazing. It gives your skin the softest, most comfortable hydrating feel ever. It is kind of pricey, but it's so worth it, and a bottle lasts me at least a few months. Now, the lotion that I use for my hands and elbows and such when I'm in the car is my Kiehl's Creme de Corps. Now, this is amazing. It's pricey, but I think this 4-ounce bottle is like $11. I keep it in my car or my bag, and I use it when I'm on the go because I hate when I have like dry skin in between my hands and stuff. Like, I just like to look nice and hydrated. I think that's very feminine to have nice, soft, hydrated skin, and this is everything. Now, my mom buys the bottle that's about as big as this. I'm not spending about $60 on lotion, but if you so choose to, I promise you will not be disappointed. This lotion is everything. It's just super expensive, so I try to use it sparingly. That's why I use it in my car, but I keep it like desk, office, car, bag, everywhere like that. I love it so much. And when I'm not using that, I'm using my body butter. If you guys have watched any of these videos over the years, you already know what this product is. This is the Josie Maran Argan Oil Ultra Hydrating Body Butter. You guys, it's amazing. I'm not sure which one Oh, it's the lavender. You guys know this lavender scent is amazing. It's like a real lavender scent, which I love, because sometimes lavender can be very like just fake and nasty smelling, but this smells amazing. I like using it at night on my elbows, knees, and hands to hydrate my skin and help me fall asleep. It's so relaxing, it's so soothing on your skin. It's perfect. This is another item that's kind of pricey, but it's worth it. At my last job, I used to keep it on my desk, and everybody who came to my office used it and they fell in love, because that is how amazing it is. Try it, I promise you will love it. Okay, keeping with skincare, the first thing I want to talk about is a mask that is now discontinued. Ole Henriksen, what happened? I thought we were here. I'm really sad about this, you guys. This is the Ole Henriksen Moment of Truth 2-in-1 Polishing Sugar Mask with sugar, honey, pomegranate seed, and other things inside of it. I am obsessed with this. I don't know if you can tell, but it's almost gone. I've had this for about a year. I've purchased this many times. I've been using it since I found out about it, probably like 5 years ago. I posted about it so many times on Instagram and YouTube because it's amazing. It hydrates, it exfoliates, it brightens, it tones, it makes my skin glow. I don't know what I'm gonna do now that I can't find this anymore, but I am using it very sparingly because I love it so much. I tend to use this once a week in the colder weather months, or after I get sick, as I've been getting sick a lot here recently, and it just helps to give me a glow and revive my skin and just make me feel like I have perfect skin. I love this. If you have problematic textured skin, if you get acne or anything like that, and it can become dry based on the products that you use to treat your acne, I think you would really like this or something similar. I'm trying something out now that I hope compares to it, but Ole Henriksen, we've got to talk. We've got to talk because I'm not happy about that. That's a holy grail product for her. Okay, the next product, which is so essential for me in the wintertime, is my moisturizer, and this is the Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is everything. I've also been raving about this for years. This is my holy grail moisturizer in the fall and winter. I love it because it smells like soap, fresh clean soap. It's a gel texture. It's very hydrating. It's hydrating without being like greasy, so it's perfect for someone like myself who has combination oily skin in the fall and winter. It's perfect. It's not too expensive. I love it. I will forever purchase it. Holy grail. If you have oily or combo skin in the fall and winter, you're gonna love this. It hydrates so nicely. I'm obsessed with it. And the cleanser that I've been using, that I've been trying out for the past like 3 or so months, I got it in the Sephora sale in November. I'm obsessed with it. This is the Belif Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. It's for all skin types. I think if you have dry skin, you may not like it too much, just because I can see it being stripping if you have dry skin. But like I said, I have oily to combo skin. This is amazing. Now I double cleanse, meaning I take off my makeup with a makeup wipe and then I use this cleanser. It is perfect. It's hydrating. It smells just like the Belif moisturizer. It feels amazing on my skin. As you can see, I've been using the travel size version, so pretty much I've only been using it when I travel, and I've been traveling a lot lately, but she's buying the full size because this is the jam. Like, you guys, if you have my skin type, try it out. I think you will really like it. Okay, the last skincare item I want to share is my holy grail night cream. I've been doing a lot of singing today, you guys. I'm just really excited. This is the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. Now, I've been trying another skincare line, which we will discuss later. Nothing beats this for me. Now, like I said, I do have oily to combo skin in the fall and winter time, but I still like to get a lot of hydration at night because in the morning I strip my face because I don't like to look oily. This is everything. It's thick, it's hydrating, but it doesn't make me greasy. It has great absorption. I love the texture of it. It doesn't really have a smell to it, but it's very expensive. So, I don't know, but I do love this item, and it's perfect for a night cream for the winter for me. I just love it. Okay, one more skincare item, and this is the Carenel Special Lip Care Lip Sleeping Mask. Shout out to my girl Lushingbeauty. I'm gonna link her channel down below. You guys know I adore her. She is just amazing. Yeah, I love her. She put me onto this years ago, I believe, and I got this off eBay. I will try to link it down below. I want to say this is a dupe for the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, though I haven't tried that one. But like I said, my lips have been really dry. My skin has been very dry. I've been wearing a lot of liquid lipstick, and this lip mask is everything. I've been using it pretty regularly every night for the past couple weeks. It's amazing. I think I paid like $5 for it. You can't beat that. Okay, I think that's it for skin. Let's move into fragrance. I have one fragrance. No, I lied, I have two. The first one you guys are probably sick of hearing me talk about, but I don't care because I'm obsessed. It is the Layered First Kiss exclusive Eau de Parfum. You guys need this, okay? I'm obsessed. It's so sexy and sensual and like, oh, it's so good. It's dark, it's a little sweet, but not too much. Every time I wear this scent, I get compliments. Like from men and women, like this is everything. This Layered First Kiss exclusive is actually an inspired fragrance from Parfum de Marly's Delina exclusive. And you guys, this is everything. I've done a few sponsored video collabs with this brand, and I will continue to talk about it forever because I'm so obsessed with it. This is really my new like it fragrance, and I just love it so much. The next fragrance is an oldie but goodie, and I need to hurry up and use it up because the color is changing. This is Paco Rabanne's Olympia. This smells like spicy citrus, fresh, a little floral, but more like spicy and citrusy. Beautiful, beautiful scent. This is another one that people are going to like cling to you if you wear it. I always remember I wore this to work one day and a client was following me around until she told me that she just loved my scent. This is just so beautiful. It's very spicy. I like wearing it in the winter and in the springtime. I'll wear this day and night. It transitions very well to me. Love it. Once again, this is Paco Rabanne Olympia. Okay, now let's get into some fashion. First thing I want to talk about is actually this jacket that I'm wearing now. This is the Adidas just standard women's zip up. I believe it's called like SST or something like that. I don't know. I'll link it down below. I don't know what it is, but I'm obsessed with like a tracksuit right now. So I have the jacket and the pants, and I'm just happy to be in like standard size clothing. Like this is an extra large. It's not a plus size or anything. It fits great. I've been loving wearing it this winter. Like I said, it doesn't really get too cold here, so I haven't needed to wear a coat in probably months, but I definitely layer with jackets, and this has just been my favorite jacket. I wear it casually. I wear it with fancier pieces also in mix and match styles. I just love it. I think I'll be wearing this year round, but yeah, this is just the regular Adidas jacket and I'm obsessed with it. Next, I have a beret. This is a wool beret from the brand Halogen. This is sold at Nordstrom. This is what it looks like. I really wanted a leather beret, but I didn't really want to pay for one, so I got this. It's wool. It's perfect. I wore it when I went out with one of my friends last month. I just love it. I really like wearing hats in the winter time because I feel it's a nice way to play up your style and be more fashionable, but also while keeping warm. The only thing is wearing hats and makeup can become a little interesting because I never want to get like the brim of the hat dirty, but I really love this wool beret. She is just so cute. I wore her out to a hookah lounge one night, and my friend and I, we looked so fabulous. We had on fur and berets and lashes and lippies, and it was such a fun time. But a wool beret is definitely a great fall or winter fashion piece. It's something that's super, super classic, and I think transitions well through a couple of seasons. The next item I want to talk about is a bag, and this has been my favorite bag since getting it, I believe in October or so. This is the YSL Lulu in the size medium. This is what it looks like. I love this bag so much. I honestly have worn it every day besides when I was traveling for Christmas, just because I really didn't need a large bag day to day. But it's so interesting because I've really been into smaller bags recently, with exception of this one. I love it so much. I will be doing a full review on this bag because it is my favorite. I cannot put it down. I'm not wearing it today because I'm wearing a smaller bag. But this YSL Lulu, if you're looking for a nice shoulder bag or just a regular like tote style bag but on your shoulder, if you kind of get what I mean, this is perfect. I tend to wear it with a single strap and it's perfect for me. I love it. Okay, the last few things I want to share are shoes. You guys know I'm a shoe girl. Those are all shoes over there, and they're even up here. You can't, there's like 100 shoes in here. Okay, we're not going to get into that. I do love shoes so much, and this next pair is actually like a pair of slides. If you watch the Vlogmas, you will know how much I love these shoes. These are the UGG Fluff Yeah slides. This is what they look like. Now, I do always tell you guys to size down in these. I am a US women's size 10, but I had to get these in a 9 because they run so large and you will look like a clown if you don't go down a size. I also didn't know how to wear these when I first got them because I'm not too much into trends. I just wear things as I see fit and comfort in them, and I wear these in the weather when I'm wearing just a light jacket, but I might want to run a few errands. I also wear these inside as slippers, so for me they're more so a slipper than an actual slide. I was worried about the bottom, like the bottom of the fur getting dirty from wearing them outside, but the way they make the shoes, the fur really doesn't touch the ground and it's perfect. As long as it's not raining, these have been my go-to shoe. As long as it's not raining and too cold, but it hasn't really been cold, luckily. Okay, my next pair of shoes is actually a pair of booties, and these are my Cognac booties. These are by the brand, it's called Coconut by something. I will link these down below if I can find them. I wanted a pair of Cognac booties because my girl Happy Stylish Mommy is always wearing Cognac booties and boots, and they look so chic, especially with all black. You guys know I'm an all black everything kind of girl, and I just really like having a casual little pop of neutral color to my all black. These have been perfect. They are a bit narrow, but after one time of wearing them, they fit perfectly. There's a slight heel so you can clickety clack as you're walking. I love these boots though. Any Cognac brown booties are perfect. I didn't necessarily want to choose a suede shoe because I think suede shoes are too high maintenance, but I couldn't find a leather pair that were like under 50 bucks. So these fit the bill. I love them. They were on sale. I will try to link them down below if I can find them. But a good Cognac pair of booties, honey, that can honestly take you through all 4 seasons, especially if you live somewhere like here. And the last pair of shoes are actually a pair of rain boots, and once again, if you watch Vlogmas, you would have seen these so many times because it seems like we're in a rainy season here in Atlanta and it just won't stop raining. So I have these Hunter rain boots. These are, I don't know the exact name, but once again, I will link them down below. If not this exact color, I will link this style. These are the boots that are not glossy, they're more matte. Now, when I got these, I got them because I wanted a pop of color, because like I said, I tend to wear all black, but the issue is I can't wear them unless I'm literally wearing all black or all white or like all denim. So I do like these just because they're a very functional piece and I needed rain boots. I tend to not like the taller rain boots just because I have a larger calf. My calves are like super muscular, and sometimes it just looks odd if the boot doesn't like flex with you and then you have pants on tucked inside. It can just be a lot. So I really like the booty rain boots. I find that those just work well with my body type and my style. So those are all of my winter favorites for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed all my winter essentials. Let me know down below, what are some of your winter essentials? How are you keeping warm, cozy, and hydrated this winter? Because that's all I'm concerned with as far as the products that I use go. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.